Lolo, happy birthday. I wish you have a good health and more birthday to come. Enjoy your birthday and God bless you. I miss you so much, Lolo, and I love you. Lolo,
Hello po, Lolo. Happy birthday po. Enjoy your day. Tultuloy mo po nga agserserbi iti apo. Ken samat nga praying for you more birthdays to come po.
Hello Lolo, kumusta? Happy birthday, more birthday to come and enjoy your day. Anad ka nga kinanayon dita and take care of yourself. See you soon Lolo, bye-bye.
Hello Lulu, happy birthday. Kahit ko lang ipaga paimbag ka, alagam tabagbagim, kan agdangag ka tibagbaga ti doktor. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Lolo.
Ador.
Adoy.
God bless.
God bless.
Miss you.
Miss you.
I love you.
I love you.
Parang kiss mo anak.
Mm.
Dami-dami.
Mm.